Hi, this is Mrs. Warren at Bear Branch Junior High. If you're watching this, then you missed Monday, I believe. Yes, Monday, February 12th, 2018. Please follow directions. This will be sent out on your email, and any attachments you need will be available to you. All right, so we started off with the warm-up on page 38. Please follow the directions. So this is the start of a new unit. You need to make a new unit page on page 39. Our new unit's called Westward Expansion. That's the only thing you write on page 39. Now, basically, the story of this is how we acquired Texas, Oregon, the Mexican Cession, and the Gadsden Purchase. We will also be studying the people who influenced and helped build this area: the Mormons, the 49ers, the Irish, the Germans, and the Chinese. Today's focus is on why people wanted to push westward. First thing I need you to do is go to this video. This is a review of all of the things that we're talking about in this unit. Please go to page 41. Now on page 41, we're going to define what makes the biggest thing that makes us want to go westward, which is a political reason called manifest destiny. Manifest destiny means it's the belief that the U.S. should settle all the land. It was our right, it was our fate, it was our future. So we were not going to let anything stand in our way. Please write this all down on page 41. The president at this time is James K. Polk, and it was his destiny to push the U.S. to the Pacific. We're going to look at a famous painting called American Progress. Now, underneath your definition, please skip a line, and you're going to draw this, divide the rest of your paper into 4 areas, and title each of the areas political, economic, social, religious, as you see here. Now, in class, what we did, we examined this portrait or painting. It's called American Progress. So in those 4 squares that you just did in your paper, I want you to write down something political that you see. You know, describe what you see in that box. If there's more than one, please put so. Look around. What's some evidence of an economic reason why people were moving west? Write that in the appropriate box. Then you're going to go to the social reasons. Social means, you know, the way of life, people's way of life. It could mean different races, culture, anything. What's a social reason for moving west that you see in this portrait? And also a religious one. So go ahead and fill that in, and we'll check that, or you can check it with a friend in class. Now then we got to our closing task. Go to page 42. And we numbered 1 through 6 and completed this as a closing task. Now, there is plenty of discussion and group work that went on that afternoon during class. But if you have any questions, please let me know. And thanks for watching.